boys and girls. Mrs. Payne here. I had a request for some additional help on multiplying a 2-digit by a 2-digit number using the standard algorithm. So that's what we're going to go through. I have my problem up here, 67 times 34. Notice that both of my factors are 2 digits, and we're going to actually solve this in steps. So we are going to come up with partial products first. So the way that we're going to solve this problem is by multiplying our top factor by the parts of the bottom factor. Notice I expanded out my bottom factor 34 into its parts, 4 and 30. Now I'm going to solve this multiplication problem first. So let's go ahead and solve that. 4 times 7 we know is 28. Put my 8 down. I regroup my 2 up here. Now I'm going to multiply 4 times 6. Notice I'm always working from the bottom up. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. So my first partial product is 268. Let me go through that again. From the bottom, 4 to the 7 first. 4 times 7, 28. Put my 8, regroup my 2 in the tens place. Then I'm going to multiply 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. First partial product. Now I'm going to move to the second partial product that I need in order to solve my original problem. Notice this is a tens number. So do I need to multiply everything by 0? No, because everything multiplied by 0 is 0. But what I do need to do is I need to drop that 0 down into my product part. Now I can go ahead and multiply by the tens number, which is 3. Again, we're going to go from the tens to the ones. 3 times 7 is 21. Put my 1, regroup my 2. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Let me go through that again. Drop my 0, multiply the 3 to the 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Put the 1, regroup the 2. Then I'm going up here. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Notice I have my 2 partial products. Now, in order to solve the original problem, we add those 2 partial products together. I'm just going to put my 268 under my 2010. I'm going to add them up. And my answer, or my product to my original problem, is 2,278. Now, I went ahead and broke the problem apart. But for the standard algorithm, we're going to do all of those parts underneath our original problem. But we're going to do it exactly the way that we did it over here. So let's start with our 4. We're going to multiply our 4 to our 7. 4 times 7, 28. Notice I regroup my 2. Then I multiply my 4 times 6, 24, plus 2. And I always like to cross it out because I'm going to be coming back around again. That's 26. Partial products are the same. Now I'm moving to my tens place. Remember, this is a tens number, so I have to drop that 0 down. Now I can go ahead and multiply. I'm going to multiply the 3 to the 7, or the tens to the ones. 3 times 7, 21. I put my 1. Again, I am regrouping my 2 over here. This is why I like to cross out the first time I come through here, so I know what I'm adding the second time. Now I'm going to multiply my 3 to my 6. That's 18, plus 2 is 20. And again, notice the same partial product. Now I want to go ahead and I want to add up my parts to get my final product. And as it should be, both of my final products are the same because they are the same problem. So I hope this helps with multiplying 2-digit by 2-digit using a standard algorithm. Now, if you're still a little bit confused doing it this way, nothing wrong with splitting your problem apart like that.